Hi, there isn't words to describe my fondness for BookLinker. It's such a great little tool. So you go first of all when you're new to go to booklinker.net, and then you'll paste the Amazon URL for your book, like just there. So it won't be hard really. It's gonna be just the URL without all the other crap on the end that you get. Then create the universal link. But I always suggest to join their account first. So go to my account and join in first, so you can always keep track of it and put it in your bookmarks under your book promotion tools bookmark, because you'll want to come back again and again. So I've got multiple books, so I need the books link here to see what they're doing. So once you've created your universal link, you're going to be using that in campaigns like, for instance, I'm doing one on Facebook. So I'll show you just a little bit how you can use this link. So once you've set it up, make sure it's really simple and easy to identify the ebook from the print book if you've got two versions, always important. And now this will be directing your traffic to the correct version of Amazon. So it won't always go to amazon.com, it might go to amazon.com.au in the case of these Australian visitors here. Of course, I'm from there, so that's why I get so many. And I still amazingly have a lot of American visitors as well. So we've got to do a Kindle promotion on Facebook. We need the Kindle version, obviously, so that would be confusing otherwise. So I need to copy that link just to use for the promotion. So I'm doing a giveaway through the wonders of Amazon Select program. So I want to schedule that, so I'm going to use this link here so that anyone from around the world can use that link, and I can track it where they're from as well. And I can see how many people did it. So we're going to schedule that because we're not going to post it now, because we want to post it when it's about to happen, which is the 12th. So I'm going to post it on the 11th. Simple, huh? Simple when you know how. So that's what I'll be doing, and we'll go and schedule that. Now, well, did you notice then that I made a mistake? So I'm going to go to my scheduled posts in Facebook, and I'm going to click on the scheduled post to edit that, because that link was wrong, and now I can edit it to make it right again. So I've gone and put the wrong book with the promotion for it, and because I was so focused on telling you what to do. So I'm going to put that link there, and then I'm going to test it. Always important to test things, isn't it? So I've edited that. I'm just going to make sure that it's still right. No, it's bringing up the other one. Sometimes it does that. I'm going to have to delete the whole thing and start again. Unless I put refresh share attachment. So if I put refresh share attachment, that link should change, and then it should be right for the 11th when it goes out. So save you waiting. We'll also go here and see what happens. So my book too will automatically redirect to amazon.com.au, because that's the closest Amazon to me, and it will take me to my book page, and they can select Kindle or paperback. So it's going to say that Kindle is available, and it's going to charge them nothing at the point of time when it hits the 12th of December.